In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow a hashtag on Mastodon. It's the same whether you are on your PC or your iPhone or your Android. The first thing you want to do is to search for a hashtag that you are interested in. So let's say I am interested in NBA. And as you can see here, if we scroll down a little, we have the NBA hashtag right here. So just click it. And as you can see here, we have all the results for the NBA hashtag down on this feed. In order to follow this hashtag, you got to click this follow hashtag button right here at the top. So this is basically how you follow a hashtag on Mastodon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.